Hi everyone, it's Lois Avellanet with Easy as Pie Stamping. Today I'm excited to share with you my Beginner Stamper Series, Episode 3, The Types of Papers. Stay tuned because you will learn all about the types of papers to use for card making and other paper crafts. I post weekly videos on rubber stamping projects, techniques, and tips. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. I'm going to take the mystery out of all the types of papers you can purchase from Stampin' Up. When you are finished watching this video, you will know the features and benefits of each type. Did you know that our colored cardstock is different than the kind you can buy in a big box store? Let's start with cardstock. This is the paper we use most for card making and scrapbooking. First, I want to talk about our Whisper White and Very Vanilla cardstock. It is slightly different than our colored cardstock. They are both 80-pound weight, which makes them very versatile and perfect for card bases, layers, accents, and scrapbooking. It's acid-free and lignin-free, so it's safe for your photos. The difference in the Very Vanilla and Whisper White cardstock is that it is specially treated and pressed for an extra smooth stamping surface. And as you can see, I use the Whisper White as a card base. Here, the Very Vanilla is used as the card base and as a layer. And here, the Whisper White cardstock is used as the card base and for accents. Here's an example of the Whisper White 12 by 12 cardstock used as a base for this scrapbook page. We also sell coordinating envelopes in Whisper White and Very Vanilla, and these are also an ultra smooth surface. The Whisper White and Very Vanilla cardstock comes in 8.5 by 11 and 12 by 12. We also offer a thicker weight option for card bases in the Whisper White and Very Vanilla. At 110 pounds, it comes in 8.5 by 11. And as you can see, so here's the 80-pound paper, and then this is the 110-pound paper. It's a little sturdier. So next, let's talk about our colored cardstock. It's also 80-pound weight, and it's offered in 51 colors. The 40 colors in our main line, the neutrals, the brights, the subtles, and the regals, and our 10 in colors, and basic black. So there are lots of color choices. The colored cardstock is also part of our color coordinated products, which includes cardstock. We have 8.5 by 11 and 12 by 12, stamp pads, Stampin' Write markers, Stampin' Blends markers, designer series paper, ribbons, embellishments, and more, so you won't have to settle for almost matches or close enough. The colored cardstock can be purchased in one color packages with 24 sheets or a color family with 20 sheets, 2 of each color. The single colors of cardstock are offered in 8.5 inches by 11, and the color families in both 8.5 inch by 11 and 12 by 12. All of our cardstocks are acid and lignin free and dyed all the way through, and this is what makes it stiffer than our Whisper White and Very Vanilla cardstock. They are a very high quality paper and great for scrapbooking. Grab your free PDF downloadable color chart with the link below. Let's talk about some of our specialty cardstock. First, we have glossy cardstock. This, as you can see, has a very shiny surface, and it's great for coloring. I use this with our regular Stampin' Write markers and colored the image. And this one was done with a really fun masking technique. You place a strip of tape along here with a torn edge, and then you use sponges to sponge on the different colors, and you see it's a very vibrant look, and the images are very crisp on this paper. Next we have our shimmery white paper. Let me just kind of turn that so you can see. It has a very subtle, very beautiful shimmer on the paper. And this is a thicker weight paper, and because it also has a coating on it, it's perfect for watercoloring. So I use the shimmery white paper here to do a fun watercoloring technique. And as you can see, it turned out really lovely. Head on over to my blog right now and sign up for my email newsletter with techniques, tips, classes, projects, and promotions every week. The link is below. And then our other specialty cardstock is vellum. As you can see, it's translucent and it's really great for doing overlays on cards. So here I stamped my images and then used it as an overlay. And then this one I stamped it, embossed it, and then colored on the back of it with our Stampin' Blends markers to get this really fun card. I have so many great things to tell you about Stampin' Up! Papers that I can't fit it all into one video, so please watch for part 2 next week. If you want to join a community of crafters just like you, I have a secret society where I share up-to-date techniques, tips, and products to keep your projects fresh. The link is below. If you like this video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing. Leave a comment below if you have any more questions about paper. Thank you for visiting Easy as Pie Stamping. I look forward to helping you create pretty projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, and remember, do something creative every day.